Good day, beautiful traders of the Golf Club FX. I trust you guys had a beautiful day today. Anyways, today I would be showing you guys the trade breakdowns of the two trades that we took today, being the 28th of June 2023. I'll be showing you guys the trade breakdown we took on a Saturday, right? And a very beautiful trade. So the first trade we took was on GBPUSD. I'll just be very quick, so that this video won't be too long, right? So first of all, on the daily time frame, I noticed that price kind of tapped on this resistance level right here, and after tapping on this resistance level, it started rejecting. So this rejection shows that price was going to come back to this support level below, right? And that was how I knew that this price was going to come to this support level. So that is the daily bias. And looking at that, I go down to my 1 hour time frame, right? And on my 1 hour time frame, I noticed that price has been bouncing on a trend line. And when you notice trend line signifies liquidity. So this is the bounce to the upside, came back, tapped again, bounced to the upside, kind of engineering liquidity every time it bounces on the trend line. And at this point right here, price broke the trend line. And what caused the trend line to break was this double top that happened on this 1 hour time frame, right? This double top. And what double top signifies as a retail style is that price was going to go to the downside, right? So noticing that, I dive down immediately to my 5 minutes time frame to understand what price did before breaking that trend line, or even during the time it was breaking the trend line. And this was what price did, right? You can see this. So from this point right here, price pushed right back up and cleared liquidity at this point right here with this wick of this candle, and immediately price dropped with massive pressure, leaving behind imbalance, and also it broke structure, right? And after breaking structure, you can see price retraced back, mitigated that other block that caused the break of structure, and immediately broke the second structure. So these are all minor structures, and also price broke major structure that touched on the trend line, right? So this is major structure that touched on the trend line, and you can see from this angle right here, price disrespected that line, right? So from this point right here, you can see price disrespected that line. And noticing that price has disrespected major structure, I simply come and take my Fibonacci retracement tool to get where price would retrace back to. And my sweet zone on the Fibonacci tool is what I call the 50 to 61.8 region, right? And you can see how price beautifully, after breaking that structure to the downside, beautifully retraced back to the 50 and to /61.8 region. And after retracing back to that region, price immediately dropped into massive profit. And that is how the trade on GBPUSD, the first trade, went. And this is the whole massive drop to the downside. Trading is so beautiful and so easy, and you can make a whole lot of money on just by trading, right? So this is like a 1 to 6 risk reward. You can see that risk reward 6, right? Which means that for every 1% you risk on your account, you grow your account by 6%. So let's say you're investing about $20 on this trade. It simply shows that you will make $20 times 6, which is about $120, and you still have your capital intact. That's how beautiful trading is. So that is the beautiful trade setup and what we are looking at, and how we caught this trade on the London section. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned for the next video on Euro USD. Bye for now.